Ladies and gentlemen, nowadays, digitalization of the process is definitely very important. Here with this movie, we will introduce our 4.0 Arranger software and hardware. Arranger 4.0 by SIP Italy is our idea in terms of digitalization, traceability, data control of machinery, operator and traceability. In the worldwide market, there is not a unique platform the same as Arranger 4.0. The production managers are challenging on daily basis to react to many various issues: machinery downtime, operator absence, saturation of the line, and more. When the fabric enters the cutting room, the challenge starts, until the complete garment comes out from the laundry department. The managers are very interested to know the status of the order, a live performance of the plant, machinery and operator performance, to be able to judge the investment and return on investment. When the plant has many workers and runs many styles, a live control improves the quality of the working performance for all the people involved in the production, maintenance, merchandising and logistics. The digitalization must be the tool to help us understand if the merchandising evaluates a correct price or not, where the production operation manager can work out improvements, where the company should invest in new technologies to drop the production time. We enlarge the considerations about digitalization with this remark. Digitalization means crossing information from various sources: bundle or garment order status, work in progress, machinery performance, operator performance. We are not afraid for our machinery performance. It's contrary. We are a partner with our users to trace all possible reasons behind the low efficiency. We care to provide a platform where, in the automatic way, the workstation sends the maintenance alarm. What about your factory organization? The Arranger 4.0 gives the opportunity to set a KPI for all the practice, the time to bring a new needle for a unit, for example. The Arranger 4.0 gives us also a great opportunity of the remote service control by the SIP Italy service network. How many times do we face the problem of an operator changing the parameters wrongly? With the remote control, we can update the original factory setting. There is no need for our service team to reach your plant. Get in touch with us. Try our Arranger 4.0 package software on your existing SIP Italy workstations. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.